What's up, everybody? Welcome back to a new day. Welcome back to a new episode. And welcome back to the house here in Nashville, Tennessee. Today, it's one of the weirdest episodes I think I've ever made. Again, I like to just show you what I'm up to. And today is just one of them regular old days. I've got a major problem. I came home to my house after the new year to find that my water heater had busted in my garage. I've never changed a water heater out before, but today is the day. So I'm fixing to go to Lowe's. I'm going to buy a water heater and come back to the house and get it installed, hopefully. I'm also not planning on pulling the Lamborghini out of the driveway or out of the garage. So I'm going to do all this while hopefully juggling it around the car. Fingers crossed everything goes smoothly. We definitely don't want to scratch the car or anything, but these water heaters are massive as well. Always something around here. All right. Oh, again, just never gets old seeing that car. I went ahead and raised the garage door just a little bit, help try and air it out. As you can see, I've got all kinds of water right through here and then right in through here. It's just a mess. Very nasty. You can still see it dripping right through there. Definitely not what you're hoping for. Definitely not what you want to see when you come home. So yeah, I got a little bit of a slow leak here, and that tire is flat as could be. Let's get it aired up. Oh yeah, fires up like a champ, no problem. All right, so they got it for $679 here, and it's the 50-gallon natural gas tank water heater. So I'm thinking about tearing one of these boxes to shit, and then maybe they'll give me a discount on it. Well, y'all, this is absolutely crazy. Like I said, here at Lowe's, got the water heater. Yeah, the box is just totally ripped to shit. And it was $679, but actually what I had to pay for it was $250 with a 6-year short-term or whatever it is warranty with it. So I got this $679 water heater for $250 today. An absolute score. I can't believe it. Super epic. Thank you, Lowe's. Thank you, 2026, for being off to a great start. Well, I got the vents. I got the both the pipes unhooked from the top. Man, this is really gross. I got it all done. It's just taking a little longer than I wanted it to. It just seemed like, I guess it's 50 gallons worth of water in there, so watching that pour out of a garden hose seems to take forever. Oh, it just felt like it was just nonstop. So luckily got it all done up. Just gonna finish draining it, swap it out. I was able to unhook the gas line a little earlier, so all I've got to do really is just let this finish draining, swap it out to the next one. In the meantime, while it's draining, I'm gonna go inside and start unboxing the new one. And for the record, I really didn't destroy this box in the place. I went through there and saw that this was on the end cap. This was some kind of special order that they opened up, and then the customer decided they didn't want it. So let's open it up. We'll see what this water heater looks like. I'm not quite sure how heavy that water heater out there is actually gonna be. It seems heavy. So I wanna pick this one up. It says 177 pounds. There's also no real place to grab it at either. So it's like, everything's slick. It's kind of too big around to really bear hug it and just pick it up off there. Plus you gotta be careful to dodge these pipes and this pipe and everything else. So it's just I'm taking my time with it. That's all I'm doing. All right, so I moved shit around a little bit. I realized real quickly that this little angle pipe up here wasn't allowing it, and this pipe right here wasn't allowing the water heater to come out facing this way. The only choice was to have to move this deep freeze from right here to over here. Now I've got these heavy duty cornhole boards that me and Dion made back in the day, and I think they'll withstand the weight. And I'm thinking I can just kind of roll it off the side, stair step it down to the ground, put it on a dolly, and get it the hell out of here. So this is cut it a little closer than I wanted it to. This is taking longer than I wanted it to. Everything's heavier than I wanted it to be, and it cost me money. That's where I'm at. That's what I'm doing on my Saturday, y'all. Hope y'all are enjoying yours. Ladies and gentlemen, I'm just as shocked as you are that today everything actually kind of panned out and went my way, worked out in my favor. I feel very blessed, very lucky. It doesn't always pan out like this, but I was glad to get a good ending. It was a hassle and a half, especially trying to work around the Lambo, but everything panned out. Everything looked great. Everything went great. Now I'm just waiting on this water to heat up, make sure that I've got hot water, because I'm fixing to take a shower and call it a day. Y'all, I really appreciate y'all watching. You know I love you and hope to see you at a show here in 2026. We've got all kinds of dates already booked. You're not gonna wanna miss out on it. I love y'all. Peace, baby.